Whoa. That was loud. Whoa!
Oh, wow.
I saw a flash of it over there.
Oh, wow.
That was loud. One, two, three, 4, 5. That was 5 miles away.
Wow. Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. It was like 4 or 5 miles away.
Yeah.
I'm not that great at counting on the lightning thing.
You get it on video?
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do. It's usually. Oh, wow! Whoa! I saw a zigzag one.
Yeah.
It's close by.
Yeah, it is.
It's like right by our house.
Uh-huh.
And I see people running.
Oh.
They're like running for their lives, I bet.
You don't want to get hit by lightning.
What if our house gets struck?
What's that? Well, it goes through the ground. The house is like, it's called a Faraday cage. It protects us. It directs the lightning around us.
There's a lot of lightning. It's like above our house, even.
Yeah.
There comes the wind.
Yeah. All the leaves go up blowing.
I think it's starting to rain.
It is.
It's like hailing outside. I remember yesterday, it was hailing, when I was at school. It is hailing outside, Dad.
Yeah.
Is it hailing outside? Wow, that's a lot of rain. It is coming down. Wow. It is pouring out here. Luckily, those people left because it started pouring right after they left.
Yeah.
Where did the lightning go? Wow, it is pouring out here. It is coming down really hard. There is literally, it's literally hailing outside.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look over here.
I see. It's all here on the deck.
That's crazy. There's actual hail. I come it's hailing so much.
Because it is.
Is it gonna dent your car?
I hope not.
Look at that. Wow. Let's take a look back here, guys. So this is back here, guys. As you can see, there and right here, all hail on the deck. Is it behind the house now?
It's all over. It's all around.
Wow. That is pretty crazy. Okay, wait, excuse me. That was pretty crazy, right?
Yeah.
And those people might be soaked now.
Yeah. What they were walking?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, they were running, but like... So guys, so there is all of the hail. And guess what, Dad? So yesterday at school it was also hailing,
Yeah. Yeah.
just like this. That is a lot of hail.